Hey, it's Cam, RX Tuning. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Rabbithole Motorsports solid aluminum shifter bushing kit for the CD009 and JK400. So as you can see, we've got one out. These are the OEM bushings. They wear out really easily. They've got a lot of flex. Here, I'll show you. And they can make for really sloppy shifts if you don't repair this and they wear out. So today, I'm gonna show you how to install the kit with just random tools that you can find laying around in your shop or in your toolbox. So you're gonna need a long M10 bolt. This one is actually a BMW oil pan bolt. If not, try to find something of equivalent length. 12 mil nut, and a shorter bolt for installation, and an 18 mil socket. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our 24 mil or 1 inch socket in the bottom here. This will be the receiver cup, and then we'll thread the 12 mil on here. We're just gonna get it snug by hand, make sure everything's centered so that we don't damage the aluminum, because this is a steel bushing coming out of aluminum bracket. Okay, perfect. In this case, I've got a E12 to hold the BMW bolt, but in other cases it might be a 12 millimeter or whatever. All right, there we go. Got our old bushing out, so we're gonna go ahead and take 2 of these new anodized aluminum cups. And we're going to put one in here. Put one there. Sort of get them lined up. Doesn't need to be perfect. This through. Clamp that down. There you have it. Rabbithole Motorsports bushings installed. Go around, do the other 4. There you go.